Unlock your phone's hidden settings. Dig into developer options. You'll find features like forced dark mode for every app. Optimize battery life with adaptive brightness and battery saver mode. Schedule them for specific times. Master keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+Z, these are your friends. Explore advanced search operators on Google. Use quotes for exact matches. Or minus signs to exclude terms. Take advantage of your phone's accessibility features. Text-to-speech can make reading easier, while voice control offers hands-free operation. Learn these things and boost your tech proficiency. Remember, simple settings lead to smarter lives. Now, go forth and tech responsibly.